Every exceptional pump is the result of meticulous polishing through multiple processes and a collaborative effort of precision equipments, guided by responsibility. We strictly adhere to the 5 major management principles in production: detail-oriented accuracy, excellence, lean, and precision, and rigorously practice the 3 no's principle: not accepting defective products, not manufacturing defective products, and not releasing a single defective product. From mechanical seals to final assembly, we pursue perfection throughout the entire process. We are committed to 100% satisfaction and a zero-defect quality promise, not only manufacturing pumps, but also delivering peace of mind, dedicated to providing reliable hydraulic solutions for global customers.